Good morning. I just want you to know that if you need help, please email me, rangle@western.k12.in.us. Please make sure you get your work in on time because I will not be accepting it after the deadline. Also, if you're really having trouble and you need more help than this, please send me an email and say you'd like to meet using Zoom, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can, and we will meet and get any problems straightened out that you're having at this point. Please let me know what you need, and I will help you.